Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Imagine having a beach table that sets up in a breeze and provides you with a sturdy platform for your beach essentials. The small folding beach table is here to add convenience and comfort to your sandy getaways. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of small folding beach table on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
The beach table weighs 1.8 pounds overall and comes with a black drawstring storage bag, which takes up little space and is easy to carry and use, suitable for use at the beach, outdoor camping, travel, and family barbecues. Durable material: unlike traditional cloth tables, the mini folding table is made of aluminum, waterproof and rust-proof. Even with food and grease stains of dirt, it can be easily wiped and cleaned. Easy to assemble portable beach table to use foldable design, no tools required. Special hinge structure allows you to complete assembly or storage in less than a minute. The small portable table non-slip legs are made of reinforced aluminum, providing users with a stable tabletop and a sturdy structure that keeps the camping table intact for long-term use, with a maximum load capacity of 120 pounds. The perfect height and size for holding drinks and food while you relax in your camping chair. Use it as a small picnic table while sunbathing on the beach, or take it with you on hiking trips.
Number 2.
The overall weight of the beach table is only 1.7 pounds, but the maximum load capacity can reach 66 pounds/30 kilograms, and with a black drawstring storage bag, occupying little space, easy to carry and use, suitable for the beach, outdoor camping, travel and family picnic. Old Bahama Bay Beach Table is equipped with 4 retractable legs that can reach a maximum height of 6.3 inches/16 centimeters and a minimum of 3.93 inches/10 centimeters, allowing it to be used in more outdoor scenarios. Mini folding table is made of aluminum, which is able to be waterproof and rust-proof than traditional wooden or cloth tables, and can be easily wiped and cleaned even with food and oil stains. When you're outdoors, you need a small table to put your stuff or enjoy your food and drinks.
Number 3.
No assembly needed for the foldable beach table. One step to open and fold. Easy to use. Only 6 in height, this small folding table is a handy little surface to keep items off the ground. Dinner tray, car table tray, laptop tray size, easy to travel with, for multiple indoor and outdoor uses. A small portable beach table for sand to minimize the worry for rusting. Easy to clean. The mini table folds in half to provide a flatter surface than the roll-up ones. Sturdy one-piece designed to avoid collapse of table legs.
Number 4. Number 5.